Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on way too low of a time frame. Here's the daily. And as you can see, yesterday after the Fed meeting, exactly what we were expecting. We got that wick up, rejection off the 21, straight down, closed, opening with a little bit of reprieve bounce. Now, today, it is all about if we are going to take back that high or not. Any hourly or any larger time frames above 19.5 gives us the chance to go to 20K and look for us to look higher or not. The probability of us at least getting to 20K is one thing, but we all took long scalps yesterday at like pretty near the bottom on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I just told everyone to start taking profit. We don't want to risk a turnaround right here as market opens, so we're going to take our profit, we're going to move our stop to profit, let it ride up if it comes. If not, our stop loss will trigger, and that's good. I do want to consider taking a small short hedge, either at 20K or I'll be patient for 21. It all depends on how price reacts. As of right now, the head and shoulder is in a full effect. If we lose this low, which we have been flirting with, we will probably initiate the measured move. Something like this might come into Friday, so just be patient. Today's Thursday. It takes a full day for everyone to digest this new Fed meeting news. And we got our 0.75 increase with the warning that more increases are still coming. So if another 0.75 or 0.5 increase is coming by the end of the year, you should expect this to get priced in now. And it will get priced in within the next week or so. So be prepared. Looking at the 4 hour, so I already told you we're at resistance right now. We're taking our profits. If you get higher, great. If not, I'm looking for a resistance at 19,950 and roll over back down. Maybe as New York opens, we go up a little bit and then we'll roll back over. But more than likely, we should be rolling back over because now all those tech stocks know that their interest rate is not going to be cheaper, and they need to adjust their portfolios accordingly. Looking at the 4 hour on Bitcoin, we're already hitting our 21. We might get to the 55, which is 19.5, 19.6. But until we have any 4 hour closes above 19.5, I'm not looking for higher. Once that happens, we can look for the resistance basically at 20K to 20,500. But until we start getting next past this level, I'm only looking for rollover. So we're gonna be going sideways in consolidation just like this, guys. Just like this, just like this. But hopefully we won't have any more of these and we can have some upward action. But yeah, the upward action will be us holding our breath to see if we can claim open, close, and then continue. So let's see how that goes. On Bitcoin at least, let me quickly go over Dixie. This is something that since we just had the Fed meeting, you should probably keep an eye out. And this is the weekly on Dixie. This is probably how I wish Bitcoin and Ethereum are going. It is in trend right now. We are nowhere in an area where I can say, yeah, we're gonna be at some resistance, blah, blah, blah. I didn't draw a fib. Actually, I lied. I do have a fib. All right, there you go. So this is the price action we're following. Obviously, we were looking at the support on the 55 EMA. This time happened again. We're going back up. I'm looking for the resistance at 114, 113. I actually want us to tap into this area. Once it taps in, I'll know that, hey, now Bitcoin can get a relief bounce. But it all depends on if the price gets there. Right now, we can also start making a distribution top here near this 1400, 113, 114 level. So in time, we will see. This is the daily chart. So today I'll watch if we can hold at least a 9. The second we start losing about 109.50 is when I will start be like, all right, there's something else going on. You know what? I'm gonna set an alert if it lets me. There you go. So we have an alert. So when this area does get tapped, TradingView will give us a little ping, and then we can decide, hey, we need to take action on our other trades. Because as this is going down, Bitcoin and Ethereum will go up, and that's what's going on for the day right now. It's going through a little bit of a pullback after yesterday's pump after the Fed meeting. Now we can look. Here's a 4-hour. Now we can see it is under the 9 EMA. So once this, we have 4 hours. Once this one closes, I'll have a better idea of if we're going to look for some more downside or if we're going to just pick this up and go back to this higher level over here. So, and then this will directly affect Bitcoin. So we're going to watch it because right now we're at resistance and it makes sense for us to find a little bit of pullback here. But if this closes under the 21, there'll be a different scenario that I would be looking at. So I'm going to watch this. We'll follow up with this today or tomorrow. Let's go now to Ethereum on a daily, and then I'll get you out of here for the day. Move all that. So we did scalp along on Ethereum on the bottom. We already took profit. A lot of people made good profit. Even I did too, because I took 100x long. Don't do what I did. But remember, all 2-3 days I was saying I'm looking for this tap at 2040, 2050. Everyone was excited at that 2080, but now I needed that tap all the way to 2030, 2040, and we got it yesterday. Perfect, long, and then basically took profit. I took profit right away because I went to bed, but everyone else who held it got another 40, 50 dollars per ETH long, so they definitely made money. ETH can still go up all the way to 1392, so it's not that we needed to take profit. It's just wise to take profit because no one really knows what's going to happen with the market. So it's like when I'm at my resistances, I take profit. I'm not even thinking twice about it. So we took profit, and we're at the 9 EMA on a 4-hour. Sorry, this is a 4-hour chart. It looks like people are trying to assume the bottom is in. This is nowhere in any way, shape, or form a bullish stance or a reaccumulation stance on a 4-hour. It was just a quick scalp because the sell-off was so fast. That volume just needed to be retested, and all we did now is retest the breakdown point. Nothing aside from that. This is not us saying, hey, the bottom is in, we're going to the moon. No, that's not it. We need to have open and closes on a 4-hour above, I want to say, 1400. That's when you'll know that the bottom is in, and then we can go to 1400 and higher. Until we have that, we should just be looking at where the resistance will be. And right now is 1, but mainly I'm looking for 1335, 1320, maybe around there to see if we get resistance and then roll over. Right now we have 48 minutes for the 8 o'clock. We will see a little clue as to where we're going. Volume is not that bad, so I think we can get to the 21, and then we can look for rejection at 1330 to 1350. If we do get to 1400, then I'll look for that resistance at 1420. But yeah, if we get there and roll over, that's also still going to be a lower high. We need to claim, like, obviously above 1500, but just level by level. First, let's go to 1350. Once we can get 1350, I'll be like, okay, you know, the bottom can be in. We can go consolidate sideways and up. Okay, but until then, we're still in a downward channel formation. Do I even have it drawn? Not really. But you see, we're finding resistance on the bottom of the channel here. And we all already had a long opportunity. We had a short opportunity. If you took it properly, good job, guys. That's what the members are doing on a much lower time frame. That's basically it for today. It's gonna be a wait and see kind of relaxed day because tomorrow's Friday. With the Fed meeting in the news the way it came out, we should expect people trying to risk off for the weekend and into Monday because now there should be no surprises as to what they should be expecting. Also, they know that the next meeting we're going to probably increase interest rates by 0.5 at the bare minimum, but it's possible that it'll be 7.5 again. So all of that will be priced in. So you can watch Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then watch Dixie to see the clues. Yeah, that's it. And then guys, don't forget, we still have 3 slots left for members starting in October 1st. So if you're interested, please DM me. Aside from that, please, if you can do me a favor, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, press the bell button notification button if you haven't already, and then if you could just leave me a comment. Ask me how my day is doing. Tell me how your day is doing. How did you handle yesterday's trades? Did you sit on your hands and wait for the day, or did you try to scalp, and did you make money or lose money? Let me know. That way we know what to do for next time. We can make a plan together. Aside from that, if you are interested, please feel free to join our Discord group. The description is in the video below, and that will take you to our little trading group where we discuss trades as well as bounce back ideas as on different assets. So it's not just Bitcoin and Ethereum, it could be any coin. So feel free to join there. Earlier today I shared an Algorand chart, potential short, and yeah, feel free to look on the left hand side for the free charted trades. Aside from that, guys, I hope everyone has a good day. Be safe. The volume is picking up here on the 4 hour, so keep in mind that we might actually get to that 21 EMA at 1330 before the close. It might just poke up, so let's see how that goes. All right, guys. Well, have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you soon. Talk to me if you need me. And then the description of the video has the link to the Discord group. That's where you can DM me if you are interested in the membership that is starting for October 1st. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Be safe. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.